CompTIA Tech Plus Complete Training Course. Exam Objective 3.5 Identify common uses of artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence, or AI for short, is the ability of machines to perform tasks that would normally require human intelligence. This includes things like recognizing speech, answering questions, making decisions, and even creating original content. In simple terms, AI helps computers think a little more like people, though hopefully with fewer coffee breaks and no need to complain about Mondays. AI systems learn from data, identify patterns, and use that information to perform tasks or make predictions. And they're becoming more common in our everyday lives, sometimes in ways you might not even notice. So let's take a look at some of the most common ways AI shows up in the real world. First up, we have AI chatbots. You've probably already talked to one, maybe even without realizing it. AI chatbots are programs that simulate human conversation. They pop up on websites to help with customer support, answer questions, or walk you through troubleshooting steps. They're used by businesses, schools, healthcare providers, and just about any service that wants to offer support without keeping someone on the phone all day. The great thing about AI chatbots is that they don't sleep, don't call in sick, and they don't get cranky. They're available 24/7 and can often handle routine questions faster than a human. But if they can't help you, they'll usually escalate the issue to a real person. Next, let's talk about AI assistants. These are like your digital sidekicks. Think Siri, Alexa, Google Assistant, or Cortana. You can ask them to set reminders, send messages, play music, or even turn off your lights if your home is set up with smart devices. It's like having a personal assistant, except you don't have to pay them. AI assistants are designed to help make everyday tasks easier and more hands-free. They use natural language processing to understand your voice commands and machine learning to improve over time. The more you use them, the better they get at knowing what you want. Now let's get a little more futuristic with generative AI. Generative AI refers to systems that can create something new, like writing text, generating images, making music, or even writing computer code. If you've ever seen an AI-generated portrait, read an AI-written article, or used an AI tool to help code a program, you've seen generative AI in action. And while generative AI can't replace human creativity, it sure can give it a helpful boost. And finally, let's talk about AI predictions and suggestions. Ever notice how your phone seems to know what you're about to type? Or how Netflix somehow always recommends that one show you secretly love? That's AI prediction at work. AI systems analyze your behavior and make predictions or suggestions based on what they learn. This could be recommending products on shopping websites, suggesting the fastest route on your map app, or flagging suspicious activity on your bank account. It's like having a super observant friend who pays attention to everything you do. These predictive features are all about convenience. They're designed to save you time, reduce friction, and make sure you get the most relevant options without having to search for them. So whether you're chatting with a bot, getting help from a voice assistant, using a tool that writes content for you, or getting tailored recommendations on what to watch next, AI is already a big part of your digital life. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more great content.